A kitchen powerhouse introducing the Ninja Foodi Max, 14-in-1 smart lid multi-cooker, simplify cooking, convenience and variety.
Unboxing the Ninja Foodi Max is exciting. Inside, you'll find the multi-cooker itself. The control panel is intuitive and easy to navigate.
14 ways to cook. The Ninja Foodi Max. Pressure cook, air crisp, steam. From pressure cooking to grilling, the Ninja Foodi Max is versatile. Each mode offers precise temperature control. Achieve restaurant-quality dishes at home.
Today we'll make a classic roast chicken. Season with your favorite spices, place it on the roasting rack. Select the roast function, check the internal temperature. Enjoy a perfectly roasted chicken.
# quick clean wipe and unplug for easy cleaning.
A balanced perspective, pros outweigh cons.
Should you take the plunge? The Ninja Foodi Max is perfect for busy families and enthusiasts. # Section 9. Join the conversation, share your thoughts. What are your thoughts on the Ninja Foodi Max? Share your experiences in the comments below.